You don't have to be big on comfort to be big on the comfort shirt from Sears. It's a fact. The comfort shirt's really comfortable, but it also happens to be very large on style. And by style, we mean the right cuffs, the right colors, and the right colors, solid stripes and prints, and even go-together ties. The whole idea behind the comfort shirt is that while it keeps you feeling perfectly comfortable, it also keeps you looking comfortably perfect. The men's store at Sears also features give and take slacks. As much as you move around these days, Sears figures you ought to have slacks that can keep up with you. So they're made of a stretchable blend design to move when you move. They're perma-pressed, too, in stripes or solids. Comfort shirts and give and take slacks can make you the star of any occasion. See the give and take slacks and comfort shirts with coordinated ties in the men's store at Sears in Memphis, Jackson, and Tupelo. And whenever the Memphis Pros are playing out of town, of course.